All right, so let's take a look at how we can test an EKG cart using a safety analyzer and our app that can run on an iOS device, iPhone or iPad. For the purposes of this video, we use an iPad because it's a little easier to see. But we'll demonstrate how wirelessly, using a Bluetooth connection between the safety analyzer and our iOS device, we can quickly get through a PM on an EKG cart. So we're going to take the iPad, we're going to do a barcode scan to start with of the device we're about to test. That'll give us the asset ID throughout our testing so that at the end we've got an electronic record that has all the detail we need. So from the asset ID scan, we've got that, and then it's just a matter of selecting the device type. I've got EKG cart selected. I'm going to hit start. So the electrical safety testing is running, and I've got my simulations already pre-programmed. It starts at 180 beats per minute, and I can see that the heart rate averaging on here is already catching up. It takes about 10 seconds, and it's reading 180. So I've got a simulation of 180. I tap the results column. It immediately pops to the target simulation and starts at pass. If it's a fail, I can change it. At any point during my testing sequencing, I can use a camera function to take a picture of the vital signs monitor if I need to, as objective evidence during or at the end of my testing. So I'm done doing my heart rate of 180, which was an adult high preset. I can add notes if I need to. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next preset, which is adult normal. By the time I get there, my electrical safety testing is done, and it's indicating a pass at the top of the iPad. Now I'm doing a 60 beats per minute, and I can see the heart rate on the EKG cart is 60. I'm done with that. All I had to do is tap the result box, and now I'm ready to move on to my adult low simulation of 30 beats per minute, or bradycardia. And as that's catching up for that heart rate, I'm going to show you a little trick you can use with the camera function. Instead of printing out paper showing that you did a diagnostic EKG and that it was working, you can go ahead and look at your diagnostic result on the screen itself. Take a picture of it using our app. It gets tied into the record, and you've gone paperless and wireless, all with your mobile device. So I'm going to reflect a 30 beat per minute pass, and I am done testing this EKG cart. We've got all the detail we need in an electronic record, including the facility, the technician name, the asset ID that we were testing, that we barcode scanned, all of our test devices, serial number, model number, cal date, each of the individual electrical safety tests that we ran, as well as the pass-fail limit and the measurement that was taken, and then my low, mid, and high heart rates are also recorded as a result and pass-fail. From here, I can move this file in various different ways from the app to a CMMS database automatically, or I can copy and paste the detail directly into a work order. I can move this file as a PDF. I can share it as text, and a copy and paste feature as well if you want to switch between one app and another to quickly get that detailed record over to another file.